Okay, so in the first part, I did the skybox. I made a whole new class, which is largely just the model class that I've duplicated a lot of the code of. And then I changed it to now use the offset value, which is what I'm using for the scale value that the user will give it. And then I just move all my vertices to be further apart based on your scale value. 1/2 just to make the nice cube shape. I'm not exactly sure if you want that's how you want it to scale it, but that works just fine. Math is nice and simple. Yeah, I have some of the other code in here. Ignore that, it's not actually in the demo. Skybox of 1. You crank up to 100. I tried at 1000, but I think that goes outside the NDC, so I can't show that one. Because that one actually gets clipped, and there's nothing there. Yep, same image. It still has the tears, which, I'll be honest, I still haven't figured out how to fix. I've tried tweaking these values to be just short. Instead of like 1.0, they'll be like 0.999. But that didn't seem to do anything, so I'm not entirely sure how to fix that. Yeah, that was a nice and easy one. Next one. This guy, I'll be honest, I thought the sphere was harder. It's really not that bad. And I built these in the same projects, that's why you see a lot of the code being duplicated. There you go, test. Looks nice. Terrain. Largely your code. I'm gonna do some vert math, and then I just 2 while loops to assign all the vertice points, and then 2 while loops to assign all the triangles. These realistically probably could have been done together, but performance I don't think is a huge deal, so it's just logically made things cleaner and easier to follow by separating them out. I only used the one function that you gave us. I'll be honest, I didn't quite understand where we were supposed to do the other function. Oh, and also, I'm letting my UVs go outside of the 1.0 and, or 0.0 and 1.0, which allows them to wrap nicely. Because I found if you manually force them, the wrapping got really fucked. Or there was no wrapping, and it resulted in some really weird tearing. So that was my solution. I just let it go outside and let the wrapping filter do its job. I can show you HMTest works, which I will show the UV scaling changes on this guy, because it's a lot easier to see. The test guy just looks terrible when you wrap it. Let me see. Yep. Looks really gross. And then I'll make the length a little bit bigger. HMTest, and we'll go to now the grass. So you can separate the height map from the texture. And the length is 20 now. That's what I changed. Yeah. Which, in hindsight, that was too big of a difference. Okay. We'll do 5, and make the height of 5. The differences were too small to see. So sorry, bad example. There you go. Now it's a bit more exaggerated. Obviously there's a lot of issues with the camera positioning, but you can see the texture is being moved around on the height map. And that's about it.